Your MoonRay comes with everything you need to get printing. In this video, we'll be covering where to find the different components in the packaging which you'll receive after ordering your MoonRay 3D printer. Begin by laying the box down on its back with the MoonRay schematic facing upwards. As you open the box, you will find a flap displaying instructions on how to set up your MoonRay, as well as a list of the box content. You will also notice it mentions a second box containing your finishing kit and your free bottle of 3D printing resin. You should be receiving this box along with your 3D printer. Under this flap, you'll find a box in the polystyrene. This box will contain your warranty card, your quick start guide, a network cable, and your power cord. Once you've pulled out the small box from the polystyrene, remove the top piece of foam from the box. Under the polystyrene, you will find two small boxes, and below that, your MoonRay. These two boxes contain your resin tank and extra resin drum. To remove your MoonRay from the polystyrene, insert your hands into the two hand holes on either side of the machine and lift slowly. Next, remove the lower piece of polystyrene from the box and flip it over. On the underside of the foam, you will find a fourth box. This box contains your build platform, platform handle, and power supply. Once you've removed everything from the packaging, it's time to set everything up and get printing.